My name is Tom. I am a man. I am 30 years old. I live in a small house. The house is in a quiet town. The town has green trees and a blue sky. I have a wife. Her name is Anna. Anna is 28 years old. Anna has brown hair. Anna has kind eyes. We married 3 years ago. We are happy at first. Every morning I wake up. Anna wakes up too. We make tea, we eat bread, we talk. Anna says, "Good morning, Tom." I say, "Good morning, Anna." We smile. I go to work. I work in a small shop. Anna stays home. She cooks food, she cleans the house, she waters the flowers. In the evening, I come home. Anna makes dinner. We eat together. We sit and talk. We are happy. But one day, things change. I come home late. The shop is busy. I work long hours. Anna waits. The food is cold. Anna looks at me. Her face is not happy. She says, "You are late again." I say, "I am sorry. Work is hard." Anna says, "The food is cold now. I wait a long time." I feel bad. I eat the cold food. The next day, I forget to buy milk. Anna needs milk for tea. Anna says, "Where is the milk?" I say, "I forget. I am sorry." Anna becomes angry. Her voice is loud. She says, "You always forget. You do not think of me." I say, "I work hard. I am tired." Anna says, "I work hard too. I cook, I clean. You do nothing at home." We stop talking. The house is quiet. We eat in silence. Days pass like this. Small things make Anna angry. I leave my shoes in the wrong place. Anna sees the shoes.
She says, "Put the shoes away. The house is not clean." I put the shoes away. I watch a little television. Anna says, "Turn it off. We need to talk." But when we talk, she is angry. One morning, I wake up early. I make tea for both of us. I put the cups on the table. Anna comes. She looks at the tea. She says, "The tea is too strong. You never make it right." I feel sad. I say nothing. At work, I think of Anna. I think, why is my wife angry every day? In the evening, I buy flowers, red flowers. I take them home. I give the flowers to Anna. I say, "These are for you." Anna looks at the flowers. She says, "Flowers do not help. You need to change." I put the flowers in water. I feel more sad. The house feels cold, not from the weather, from the angry words. We sleep in the same bed, but we do not talk. We do not smile. 1 week later, it rains hard. Rain hits the windows. The sky is dark. I come home wet. My clothes are wet. My shoes are wet. Anna says, "You bring water into the house. Clean it now." I clean the floor. I change clothes. Anna cooks soup. The soup is hot, but she does not look at me. I say, "Anna, please talk to me." Anna says, "What is there to say? You do not listen." I try. Tell me what you need. Anna becomes more angry. She says, "I need a husband who helps. I need a husband who remembers." She goes to the bedroom. She closes the door. I sit alone in the living room. Saft sits? No, we have no cat. The room is empty. I hear the rain. I feel alone. More days pass. Anna is angry about food. She is angry about money. She is angry about time. One day, I forget our special day, the day we marry. Anna waits. She makes a nice dinner, candles on the table. I come home. I do not remember. I sit and eat. Anna looks at me. Her eyes are wet. She says, "Do you know what day it is?" I think. I say, "No, I am sorry." Anna stands up. She says, 3 years ago we marry. You forget. You do not care." She leaves the room. I sit with the candles. The light is soft. I feel very bad. I go to the bedroom. Anna is on the bed. She cries quietly. I sit near her. I say, "Anna, I am sorry. I forget the day. I am a bad husband today." Anna says nothing. I leave the room. I sleep on the chair that night. The next morning, Anna does not speak. She makes tea. She gives me a cup, but she does not look at my eyes. I go to work. At work, I feel heavy. In the afternoon, a man from the shop becomes sick. I help him. I take him to the doctor. I come home very late. Anna waits at the door. Her face is angry. She says, "Where were you? The food is cold again." I say, "A man is sick. I help him." Anna says, "You help others. You do not help me." I say, "Please, Anna, listen." But Anna does not listen. She goes to the kitchen. I feel tired. I feel sad. I think, my wife is always angry. What can I do? One sunny day, I stay home. It is my free day. I clean the house. I wash the floors. I wash the dishes. I cook a simple meal. Anna comes from the market. She sees the clean house. She sees the food. She looks surprised. She says, "You clean?" I say, warm, "Yes, I want to help." Anna says nothing for a moment. Then she says, critical, "The floor is still dirty in the corner." I clean the corner. We eat. The meal is quiet. After eating, I say, "Anna, why are you angry so much?" Anna looks down. She says, vulnerable, "I feel alone. You work long. You forget things. I do all the homework. I feel you do not see me." I listen. I say, "I see you. I love you, but I make mistakes." Anna says, weary, "I am tired. I am angry because I am tired." We sit quiet for a long time, tense. Then a big problem comes. That night, the wind blows strong. A storm comes. Thunder is loud. Rain is heavy. Water comes into the house from the roof. Water falls on the floor. Anna sees the water. She says, "The roof! Water is coming!" We take buckets. We take towels. We work together. I climb a little. I try to stop the water. Anna holds the bucket. Water falls on us. We are wet. We work for a long time. The water stops. We sit on the floor. We are tired. We are wet. Anna looks at me. She starts to laugh a little. I laugh too. Anna says, "We look funny." I say, "Yes, we are wet like fish." We laugh more. Then Anna becomes quiet. She says, "Tom, I am sorry. I am angry too much. You try. I see it now." I say, "I am sorry too. I forget important things. I come home late. I do not help enough." Anna takes my hand. Her hand is wet and cold. She says, "We need to talk more. We need to help more." I say, "Yes, we can change." The storm ends. The sky becomes clear. Stars come out. We dry the floor. We change clothes. We drink hot tea. We sit close. We talk for a long time. Anna tells me how she feels every day. I tell her how I feel. We understand better. The next morning, I wake up early. I make tea the way Anna likes, not too strong. Anna smiles. She says, "This tea is good." I go to work, but I come home on time. I buy milk. I put my shoes in the right place. Anna cooks dinner. She waits with a smile. We eat together. We talk. We laugh a little. Days pass. Sometimes Anna becomes angry again. Small things happen. But now we talk. I say, I am sorry. Anna says, I am sorry too. We help each other more. I help clean. Anna helps me remember things. One evening, I bring flowers again, red and yellow flowers. Anna takes them. She smiles big. She says, Thank you, Tom. She puts the flowers in water. She kisses my cheek. We sit in the garden. The sun goes down. The sky is pink and orange. Birds sing. Soft wind moves the leaves. Anna says, I was an angry wife. I do not want to be angry every day. I say, I was a forgetful husband. I want to be better. We hold hands. The house feels warm again. Not just from the sun, from kind words. We cook together. We clean together. We laugh together. Sometimes we still have problems. Marriage has problems. But now we face them together. We say sorry. We listen. We help. The angry days become less. The happy days become more. I look at Anna. She looks at me. We are husband and wife. We are partners. The town is quiet. The trees are green. The house is full of soft talk and soft smiles. Anger can go away. Love can stay. We learn this together.